Hi everyone from the Spencer Homestead. It's Tuesday and it's been a pretty boring day today. So I was just coming down. It's after dinner time. See if we have any eggs. I checked earlier and we didn't have any. Oh, look at that. Nothing. But there is a big poop on top of the pine shavings. These girls, I'll tell you. All right. Let's close this down and we'll go look in the big coop. See if there's any eggs in there. Hope everybody's having a good week. We're supposed to have a nice day today. It's rained pretty much every day forever. And it rained this morning, so everything's wet and slimy. See how everything's starting to get green. I saw my first salamander here. I've lived here over 20 years. And there's a salamander because it's so wet. So, let's see here. Looks like maybe 3 eggs. And I got one earlier. It's not many eggs. Not one of these things. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but they come with a ball. They're I guess there's 4 eggs. They come with a ball. They're to play with your dog. And they're like the perfect scoop for eggs. The eggs fit in there perfectly. I'm a terrible camera person. But anyways, they fit in there perfectly. See? I love them. So I got a couple of those from the $1.25 store, the Dollar Tree. They had quite a few. You might want to look into getting one because I'll tell you, they really help. I'm looking in the juvenile section because I have found eggs in there lately. Get my basket. I got one from my fancy coop this morning. We got silkies and Polish frizzles. And got one from this coop on the floor this morning. But I'll tell you, that is not many eggs. I've been getting like a dozen eggs. 10 from these girls and 2 or 3 from mine. So it's not very many. I'll go check in the fancy coop and see what's going on there. Hi girls. The weather's a little bit better as far as like less humidity and stuff. So I'm kind of happy about that, but boy, it's been so wet and slimy. How you guys doing? Hello everyone. Hi Phyllis, hi Morticia. Hi ladies. Gracie, Franny, Little Sexy. That little Millie is Rui. And then we've got Lila. And we've got the little lunch lady here. And one of my little white girls, Annie. Hi, Elvira. Girls did pretty good with that watermelon, didn't you? Well, we got one little egg over here. And I think I introduced you to these. These are my youngest. Butterscotch, Mindy, and the little Polish is Tuesday. Doesn't look like there's any. Oh, you girls got an egg over here? Hi, Cartman. Can I come over here? Hi. Don't be so skittish. These chicks are the loudest chicks I've ever had. My husband and I were saying, thank God we don't have them in the living room. Because a lot of times, you know, if you start them in spring up here in the Northeast, we keep them in the living room where it's warm, you know. in a brooder, of course. But yeah, so we were saying they're so loud. Thank God we didn't have them in the house. How you doing, Rui? You gonna move so I can get out of the door? All right. This stupid thing. Last year, I got locked in here. I was so stressed. Hang on, let me put the eggs down. No, 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 you're not getting the eggs. Girls are silly. All right, so that is not a good day for eggs. These millies are so cute. Aren't they adorable? And they fly like nobody's business. Yeah, I gave them watermelon earlier. I got it all dirty, of course. Disgusting. Well, let's see here. What else we got going on? Put these eggs in the basket. I don't even know if this qualifies for a basket. There's some juveniles that I have. Barred Rock and some Americanos. Cute, right? All right, let's go over here and check my sunflower. So beautiful, isn't it? Next year, we're hoping to tear that shed down and save what we can and maybe make another chicken coop out of that. But it's all moldy and wet inside. So there's our garbage pile of wood that we can repurpose. And there is the one sunflower that survived these chickens. Look at it, it's got 5 heads on it. Isn't it beautiful? So, well, I just wanted to pop in and say hi, and I hope everybody's having a fabulous week so far. And let's soak up the rest of summer, right? Have a great one. If you love my content, if you even like it, share, tell your friends about it, subscribe to my channel. It really helps. And thank you so much. Have a great night. Bye.